how to fix any bug on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can fix any bug on your iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to fix any sort of bugs that you might be facing on your iPhone, there could be two types of bugs. One is the application bug, the other is the software bugs. So if you're having issues with any sort of applications, you can open settings, go to general, go to iPhone storage, and then you can just select the app with which you're having the issue, offload the app, and also make sure to reinstall the app to see if that helps you solve the problem. Now, if that doesn't actually help you, then what you can basically do in that case is, I would just recommend you go ahead and then delete and reinstall the app. As for the other bugs, first of all, open settings, then go to general, then go to this option called software update. And just make sure that you are using the latest version. If you're actually using a beta update, do not use beta update, because beta update is going to have bugs since this is only for testing. And if you have a secondary device, you can do that, but not on your primary device. After that, you can go to automatic updates and make sure you're using the latest version of your iOS to see if that helps you solve the problem. This should rule out any of the bugs that you might have on your iOS. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.